Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 99 Nights in the Forest on your personal computer. This thrilling survival game, where you must endure many nights against a monstrous deer, is primarily a mobile experience. However, with a few simple steps, you can bring the intense gameplay to your larger screen. We will explore two main approaches to get you started on your desktop adventure. One popular way to play is by using an Android emulator. Programs like BlueStacks allow your computer to run mobile applications seamlessly. Simply download and install the emulator, then sign in with your Google account. From there, you can easily find and install 99 Nights in the Forest through the integrated App Store, just as you would on a phone or tablet. Another excellent option is cloud gaming, which lets you play directly in your web browser without downloads. Additionally, a distinct version of 99 Nights in the Forest is available within the Roblox platform. If choosing Roblox, ensure you have the Roblox player installed. Both methods provide a convenient way to dive into the forest's mysteries right from your computer. To survive the 99 nights, always keep your campfire fueled. It is your primary defense against the monstrous deer. Continuously gather wood and other vital resources to craft upgrades for your tools and camp. Utilize flashlights to temporarily stun threats and explore the dark forest. Remember, strategic resource management and camp improvements are crucial for enduring the relentless nights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.